Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a gorgeous day. Today I am back with my favorite summer shoes, and I have some new pairs and I also have some that I've had for a few months, but I will make sure that many of them are linked down below, and if I can find the exact link I'll try to leave you something similar, but I think pretty much most of them are available, so I'm very excited for that. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love to blog and I love everything that is pink and girly. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So before we head into the first pair of shoes, I did want to show you this product that I have been using on my legs and also my arms. It gives me the most gorgeous glow on my skin, and even though I do tan pretty easily, I always like to have that like glow look, and this here gives me exactly what I'm looking for. It's incredible. It's from Sol de Janeiro. You guys know that I love that brand, and I was very excited because they sent this out to me. So Sol de Janeiro and Oaktolly sent this out, and I am like so in love with this. I already love their brand, and it has the same scent as their perfume and also their cream, so it smells incredibly good, like very like, I don't know, like sunsets, a beach vibe. So this one here is called the Rio Sunset Glow Oil, and it's a translucent, transfer resistant shimmer for the body and face. So this is what I have on my legs right now. That's why they are glowing and look amazing. So let's go ahead and get started with the first pair. So this pair right here is probably my most recent ones, and I actually did an Instagram post and everybody really loved these shoes. I am like so in love with them. So they are these right here, and they are in this gorgeous like blush color, and I really love this color because I feel like it just goes with everything. It's so pretty. It has this kind of like an eyelet look on the front. It also has this pretty decent heel. It's not too big. I don't really like wearing super high shoes, but these here are just like perfect. They are incredibly comfortable. These are available also in black. So the next pair that I have is also one of my newest purchases, and these here are just stunning. They look incredible with shorts, with like dresses, basically with like anything. And these are the Steve Madden sandals. I don't know the exact name. I'll link it down below. But look how gorgeous these look. They have like little studs all over, and they are just super pretty. They are extremely comfortable as well. They're very cushiony here, so they're not like completely flat. They also have this tiny bit of heel. I did want to mention that I am 7.5, and all these shoes are 7.5. They are true to size. These here are just incredibly comfortable, and they're like my favorite at the moment, as well as these ones here. They're so pretty. So the next pair of shoes that I have, these are sandals. These are incredibly comfortable. They're also very pretty, and they go with so many different outfits if you love whites and pinks and nudes. So I have these here, and these are just so comfy, you guys. They even have like this like super soft cushion here. These are from the brand Yokono. I'll see if I can find the exact ones, but they also came in black and I believe in beige. But these are just super pretty. I just put these on whenever I just want to wear like a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. So this other pair that I have here is more like a dressy style kind of a sandal, but they are extremely comfortable. Like I said, I don't really like wearing high heels that much. And I think these are comfortable because of the style of the heel. So it's like a kind of like a rounded block heel. So it's pretty thick. And I just love these shoes. I don't have anything like them. They're just so comfortable, but they're also very dressy. I wore these for a photo shoot and they looked so pretty. They also have this like buckle here, and it's in this like very light shade of gold, but I believe these also come in other colors. I got them in white, and I am really happy with them. So this next pair I've had for a while, but it's still available. These are always actually available, and they are just the most perfect pair of sandals, basically for any outfit, any color, and that's because they are clear. These are Steve Madden as well. I just love their brand, and they are extremely comfortable. They just have these like clear bands on them. Like I said, I've had these for a while, but I use them a lot because I can literally wear these with anything. They also have this thick block heel, but it's pretty small, so it's actually pretty comfortable. You can wear these and just walk around, not get tired, and I really love how you can just basically wear these all the time. So this next pair I really love. These are actually from the brand Gucci, and I got these at the Gucci outlet where I live. I was very excited. I did get like quite a discount from getting them at the outlet. I probably saved around maybe $200, but I fell in love with them the moment I saw them because of the color. So they are in this like beautiful pink color, and they have this like leather trim all around. It says Gucci on the side, and it has a little Gucci symbol all over them, but it's like not right in your face. And that's what I loved about them, because unless you like get really close to them, you'll be able to see that they're Gucci, but other than that, they're not like really flashy or anything of that sort, which I really love. And they're pink, which will go with a lot of my outfits. They're also pretty comfortable, so highly recommend those. I also have this pair here. This other pair is more like a dressy pair, but they are in this gorgeous nude color, which I think is perfect for the summer. I do like to wear a lot of light clothing, and I think these are just great if you want to dress up or wear them with like a pair of jeans. I love wearing jeans and high heels. They're really pretty, and they are super comfy. Like this is like the most comfortable pair ever. That's because of the heel. The heel is not like humongous. So I'll link these down there below as well. These are from the brand Michael Kors, and they are just so pretty, perfect nude, and extremely comfy, which is something that I always look forward to. I feel like for me, the shoes have to be comfortable in order for me to actually consider them as my favorites. Other than that, I like just don't even wear them. So the next pair here, I don't know if these are available anymore. I think they might be. They come and they go, so I'll link it down there below if I can find them, or at least something similar. But these are like my all-time favorites. They are gorgeous. They have pearls, they have pink, they have everything that I love. So these here have this gorgeous like pearl scent pearls and little pearls details all over them. They are just so pretty. They're also very comfortable. These are pretty flat. They do have like a tiny bit of heel, but these are more flat than all the other ones, but they're still comfortable, and they look stunning. Like literally, if you wear just like a simple one color outfit and you throw these on, it just like adds bling to your outfit. So I definitely recommend these. These are from the brand Leith, and I got them at Nordstrom. They also come, I believe, like in two different shades. I think it's like black and a different shade of pink, but I'm like obsessed with these, and they're my favorite. So those were all the shoes that are my favorite for the summertime. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to link everything down there below, as well as in the blog, FABIOLAG.com. Check it out. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.